Okay, we will start learning Microsoft Word today. First of all, I would like to talk about graphical user interface. For Microsoft Word, it consists of customized quick access toolbar. Can you see on top left corner? It allows you to insert shortcut command in this area. You can check to add. For example, I click on new to add command new for creating the new document. But if you want the command more than that is shown here, you can click on more command. You can click on more command and you can add from any tab. For example, insert tab. You may choose command insert pictures. Click to select and then click on this button. So it's gonna show on customize quick access toolbar. And then click save. So the command is gonna be add here. Picture from file. Allow you to insert picture from file inside your computer. So you can adjust them by check in front or remove any command that you don't want. Okay, so this is how to work with quick access toolbar. Okay, next one, quick access toolbar is gonna be the set of menu bar or tabs. Tab home normally used for setting format of text. Insert used for insert some object, and then design, layout, and so on. This we call tabs. And underneath tabs, when you select each tab, the command will change, and this big area we call it as ribbon. Okay. And for the top above quick access toolbar, there is a menu bar. Let's talk about file. For file menu, it allows you to manage file. There are various commands such as new document, new from template, open, close, save and save as. At the first time when you create the new document, you have to use command save as. To save is to be any name you want, and after you already set file name, if you made something change, next time you can use command save. Save use for save something change. For save as, use for setting the file name at the first time. Okay, next is share and print. So these are the commands for manage file. Okay. Next, let's type something inside your document. We will learn how to apply format inside Microsoft Word. Normally, the command for setting format are inside Home tab. Okay. Now, I provide information. Okay, you may type something wrong inside your document. Just like this, pandemics. This is wrong, right? So if you type something wrong, you will see the red underline. The red underline for that word. Okay, after you already finished, you can click cursor at the beginning of text or on the first line like this. This blink vertical line we call it as circle. Sorry, cursor. Okay, make it blink at the first line, at the beginnings of the first line. First of all, after you finish typing the information, you should do this command, spelling and grammar. It is inside Review tab. Click on Review tab and choose Spelling and Grammar. This is on the left hand side. Can you see Spelling and Grammar? Click on it. Okay. It's gonna searching for the word that not in dictionary, such as wrong spelling word like this. Circumstance. This one is wrong, right? So you can click to select the right one from suggestions box here. And then if you want to change, click on change. Click on change. And then it's gonna searching for the next one. It's found the word Goodison, Goodison Park. This one is a specific name. I don't want to change, so I click on ignore. This one is pandemic. For me, the next one is pandemic. So I click select and then click on change. The next one, knowledge. You may double click to insert. So now it's done. The spelling and grammar check is complete. Click OK. So now there's no more red underline inside my document. So you are ready to edit file now. So don't forget to do this when you type something inside your document. Okay. The other thing that you can do is using the thesaurus. Okay, you may want to change to use a different word but the same meaning. For example, the word urge. You may highlight to select this word and then click on the thesaurus. Okay. The thesaurus will searching for the same meanings words, or we call it as synonym. You may replace this word. For example, urge. You can use the word need, advice, and so on. For example, I want to replace it with the word need. Right click and choose insert need. So it's going to change to be need, but it has the same meaning. So it is replaceable. Okay, next let's talk about home tab. You can modify text by using the tools here, but first of all you must highlight information you want first. For example, this one I highlight the word Jurgen Klopp and then I want to make it outstanding, so I made it bigger. You can change font or character style from here. Select, and then you can change text color like this. You can make it bold, italics, or underline, something like this. Let's try to apply this command to some of text inside your document. Okay, the other command inside this area, such as text effects, make it look more beautiful and colorful. Highlight, just like using highlighting pen. You may try, you may insert, and then you may remove by highlight again to remove, or you may use command undo. Use command undo from quick access toolbar. Okay, another command that you should know, this one. Change the words to be sentence case, lower case. Lower case will look like this. Upper case, capitalize each word. So let's try this command. This one is strike through. Okay, you can adjust the paragraph by using this command. Align left, align center, align right, and justify text. Let me show you. You have to highlight to select a whole paragraph like this. You may use justify to make balance between left and right. You may select a whole like this and choose this one, justify. Okay, justify will look like this, but if you select align left, it's going to use left margin to align. And if you select on center, it's going to align at the middle of the page. And this one, align right, is going to use right margins. But for me, I prefer this one. I prefer justify, so the output going to look like this. Okay, another command that you should know is this one. Copy format. For example, if you want to copy only the format of this one, you can select first by highlight and then click on copy format and then apply to anywhere you want. For example, I would like to apply it to the third paragraph. So can you see the output will look like this. It's gonna copy only format, but it will not change the information. For zoom in and zoom out, you can use zoom tools by click over plus and minus signs at lower right corner. The actual size is 100%. Okay, but if you want to enlarge, you may click on plus sign. It's going to be more than 100%. But if you want to zoom out, you can click on minus. Okay, next command that you should know is cut, copy, and paste. Cut, copy, and paste. Then you can copy the information you want. For example, I would like to copy the word Jürgen. You have to highlight first, and then the command gonna active. If you use command cut, let me show you cut command first. If you use cut, it's gonna remove the original data. It's gonna remove the original data, and then you can click on paste. Okay, it's gonna paste here. You can paste anytime you want. Okay, I will paste again at the original place. Okay, for cut, it will remove the original data. But if you use copy, let me show you. If you use copy, highlight first and click on copy. Copy will not remove original data, and you can also paste. You can also paste as many times as you want. Right click. Actually, when you paste, there are various options for paste. You can choose paste special to paste unformatted text, for example. Click OK. So it's gonna look like this. It will copy and paste only the data, but for format, it will not copy. So it show you like this. Okay. Okay, next. Next, let's talk about command find and replace. You can click on find to searching for any word you want. For example, I type the word clock, so it's gonna highlight the word that I am searching. But if you want to find and replace it with something else, you can use command replace, find and replace. You can choose find, and then inside this text box you can type the word that you want to replace. I will replace with the word Princeman. Click replace. You may click replace them one by one, or you may click on replace all to change every word at the same time. So every word is gonna change like this. It's gonna change from Jürgen Klopp to be Jürgen Klinsmann. Okay. So no need to search on your own and type one by one. So you can use command find and replace to do this task. Another thing that you can do is insert bullet or numbering list. Sometimes you may want to make the information outstanding from normal paragraph. You may click on bullet. For bullet style, you can click on drop down button and change to be any style you like. Or if the information is in an order, you may use numbering list like this. It's going to start from number 1, 2, 3, and so on. Actually, there are various formats. You may use alphabet or Roman number. Okay, something like that. Okay, that's all for the lesson today. So if you have time, please type some paragraph and then apply the command that you have learned in this class to make yourself familiar with the command inside Microsoft Word. Okay, see you next time.